Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Marathon. First, familiarize yourself with the specific demands of an Alpha Marathon, which often include varied terrain and endurance tests. Next, honestly evaluate your current physical condition to establish a baseline for your training. This initial assessment helps you tailor a plan that builds strength and stamina effectively. Finally, dedicate yourself to a consistent training regimen, focusing on long runs and cross-training to prepare your body for the race's rigors. Your training should be comprehensive, blending different types of runs. Begin with long runs, extending your distance by about 10% each week to safely build endurance. Don't forget to add speed work and hill repeats. These are crucial for developing power and improving your overall pace. Additionally, dedicate time to strength training at least 2 times a week, focusing on your core, legs, and upper body to prevent injuries and enhance performance. On race day, a well-thought-out strategy is key. Plan your pacing carefully, aiming for a consistent effort rather than starting too fast. Crucially, manage your nutrition and hydration from the start. Consume energy gels or chews every 45 to 60 minutes, and drink 16 to 20 ounces of fluid each hour. Remember to pay close attention to your body's signals and be prepared to modify your pace to conserve energy and finish strong. After crossing the finish line, prioritize your recovery. Immediately refuel with carbohydrates and protein, and ensure you get plenty of rest to allow your body to repair. In the days following, engage in light activities like walking or gentle stretching to promote blood flow and reduce soreness. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Celebrate your achievement and start planning your next challenge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.